Rhinoceroses are giant land animals known for their thick skin and powerful build. They are herbivores that spend many hours each day searching for plants to eat. May Jesus Christ bless you if you like and subscribe. Rhinos use mud baths to cool down and protect themselves from insects. Quick question. Did you know some rhinos can communicate using low-frequency sounds? Despite their huge size, they can run surprisingly fast when alarmed. Would you like to see a rhinoceros?